In today's first reading, we heard the words of prophet Habakkuk. Habakkuk lived at a time where there was rich people crushing down the poor people, corruption had increased, immorality had increased. And in such a situation, he is questioning the Lord. How long can I cry to you and you will not hear my voice? How long do you want me to see all this which is happening around me? And the Lord says, wait, have patience. A time will come, justice will be delivered. The righteous man lives by faith, God says. So what Habakkuk experienced, we too experience in our life. Things happen, a death in a family, sickness, a job is lost, financial crisis, so many things. And we at times doubt, is there a God? If there is a God, why these things happening to me and around me, all this corruption and so many evil things, why they are happening? We question, rightly so. And the answer is found in today's first reading. Have patience. Everything has its own time. Justice will not escape for anybody, good people and evil people.